I started putting together some digital twins that could be used to assess where the industry stands or where certain parts of the industry stand regarding supply chains. So I kept it so that these were not something that would be making GMP decisions or really GXP decisions. They were making supply chain decisions or offering supply chain modeling for users to be able to push and pull or to pull in data that exists coming out of either API calls or Amazon Redshift or whatever it might be, links to SAP that allow for professionals in their domain to take guesses as to where potential demand might drive them to make certain decisions about do we need to build or buy, do we need to create space on a particular line, do we need to sell off certain assets or find different uses or repurpose different assets. Those are all things that these digital twins could do. I did one for a relatively large company based, on its flagship product, and we just looked at the global adoption of an auto injector and what that would do in the space. I mean, you can imagine, right? If you're switching from a traditional vial and syringe or a pre-filled syringe even to an auto injector, some markets might pay for it, some markets might not. And that's going to have an impact on your supply chain. What are you going to order for your pen? How much pen assembly is going to be required? Are you using a cartridge or a pre-filled syringe that can be used elsewhere? All of those are questions that we're plugged into this digital twin to push and pull.